strumming.
Hey Google, what sound does a cat make?
This is a cat.
What do you see?
When they gave birth, but not many people have seen what it actually looks like. So I thought it would be really cool.
Are you gonna jump? Don't jump! Pussy. Oh, I'm sorry.
Get her! Lynch! Jail.
Put a finger down, but if you have more than 3 fingers down by the end of this challenge, I'm jealous of you. Put a finger down if your pant size is a size 4 or lower. Put a finger down.
The Marxists, the anarchists, the agitators, the looters, and people who, in many instances, have absolutely no clue.
They're really stupid. They don't know how to actually in the car, and the person that does it for them.
Why are your hands like that? I'm scared. Remy, baby, why are your hands like that?
You going? You come back here. Oh.
Okay, let's yes, still haven't finished.
He's vomiting.
Can we just go with this?
Alright.
Don't be careful with his wings. Hey, Money, what's up?
I've never seen such a beautiful chunky being.
Careful around her butt, she'll get mad.
I'm touching your butt.
Why are you touching?
Make it happen is for him to he just stand here.
Michael.
What? What? You want to fight? You want to fight? That's right. Stay down there because I'm getting real tired of you sitting up here looking at me like you're going to do something and you're not going to do nothing. What? What? That's right.
What are you? Helen! What are you? What are you doing? Do you realize how high that is, honey? Oh my God. Bruce, are you okay? Bruce, well, you can't sleep like that. Bruce, you can't sleep like that. That's why you sneeze all the time. Exactly. Choke. No, that's why he's so clean. Good job, buddy. He's the hunchback of Notre Dame.
Okay, good.
What is it?
What's wrong, son?
Milo!
Give me the wiggle. Give me the wiggle. Give me the wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, butt, butt, wiggle, wiggle, butt, butt, wiggle, wiggle, butt.
Hi, kitty. Mommy loves you. Hi. No, please. Look at his pretty paws. I love you. Can I pet you, please? Mommy loves you. Hi.
Hold your face up to that. Give us something we can hear back.
Look how relaxed my cat is as I shave him. Like, I can't make this up.
What's happening here? Did you lose something? Oh my God, your stick. You know, there's plenty more over there where you stole it from originally, but whatever.
On this episode of I Raised a Kitten in Quarantine and Now I Have a Cat with Separation Anxiety, we're in the shower.